Everybody's looking back.
So they fit. Wow.
Yeah, offset center, bro. Offset
Who would have told you? Would have told you. Hey, what happened to your 22s?
I have replacements coming in, but I hit a pothole at 60. Woman driver, eh?
Nice. Woman driver. Now, those rims, did they come with that offset, or you put some like spacers on that?
No, they're just on there.
Really?
13 inches wide in the rear and 12 in the front.
Oh.
Stuck with me for life now.
I love the rims. The rims are amazing.
Oh, custom order from BC Ford.
Just the dish on them, man.
Yeah.
They're clean. What's the offset on these rims, dog?
You know, 3. I don't know.
I just bought them, bro. I just brought Stop asking me questions, dog.
Apparently they came up to 300. I was like, all right. They're paying the ass. They're what, 245, 235, 255 though, man. 30 minutes.
Rims, where'd you get the rims?
Oh, they were on the car when I got them.
Offsets? Any offset plates?
Nope.
Or just throw them on there?
They were just thrown on.
So you're saying you're able to get a dish without any freaking plates on?
Yep.
Damn.
Yep. And that's
Mopar, no car.
Yeah. it's perfect. It's the perfect offset for those.
Yeah.
And I got a lot of tuck, so I can even get my hand in there, no problem.
Yeah.
So
Looks
she
good.
doesn't rub.
Looks good, man. Nice.
But I'm thinking of going 20s. Go a little bit lower and go 20s.
These are 22s?
Yeah, those are 22s.
Go 20.
I want to
Go 20.
But I got no problems with the 22s. They ride nice.
Wow. Oh yeah?
Oh wow, I love that. Hey, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Is it just like take a card, any card? Mopar Mafia.
We got rims. The rims are dope. I like the rims. No, that's Magnum Mafia.
Oh. Yeah, for sure.
Wow.
I got 22s,
Yeah.
285, 45s on there.
Yeah. Holy you were still bussing on that one.
I know.
Holy shit. Holy Oh yeah. Hey, you got your keys? What's up, bro?
What's going on?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Things fierce, man. That pushes, man.
Oh, it does,
That's
man.
not for 22s on there. I was impressed.
Yeah.
I was impressed, man.
She flies,
Yeah.
bro.
From a little birdie. I know, actually, it's 1 inch higher, which I'm not really happy with. But I can, it's all-wheel drive. Right?
That, you know what the solution that is?
What? Raise it, raise it.
Rear-wheel drive.
Yeah.
The rims, they offset or just threw them right
staggered.
in there? They're staggered.
Staggered, yeah. I got 22 by 8.5 in the front and 22 by 10.5 in the rear.
Freaking amazing.
Yeah.
No, I like the look.
Yeah.
You did a good job, man. Even
Thanks.
the side,
Yeah.
the side skirts.
That's a whole pack. That's a Ken style body kit.
Ken style.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Any plans for next year?
Putting 20s on. I'm going downgrading. I'm going to sell those and put 20s on.
Seems like the common theme. Everyone wants to put that.
I want to race it.
You want to race it?
I
Yeah.
want to take it to the track.